Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing look number 4 with the Morphe Boss Mood palette, and I do have more than 4 tutorials out, so all those will be linked in the description box, you guys. Today I thought we'd work on this Smoky Berry Toned cut crease. It's so beautiful, and I even added glitter at the end. You'll see 2 different versions of this, a regular and one with glitter. So as always, we prime our eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and next we're picking up the Boss Mood eyeshadow palette. Highly recommend this palette, by the way. It is so amazing. And we're going to take Face of the Day. It's our first shade, and we're taking that on a big fluffy brush, and we're applying that in our crease. And yes, we are going to build that up, and it's going to be our crease shade as well as our transition shade from the brow bone to the crease and to our outer corner color or shade. And we're just going to really just buff that in, and we're going to do it messily. You'll always see, like, yeah, I don't do it like perfect or anything like that. I just literally just windshield wiper that in the crease just as fast as we can get it in there, build it up a little bit, and we'll move on to our outer corner shade. And our outer corner shade is Power Slayer. These names are awesome in this palette. So I'm taking this on a much denser pencil brush, and we're going to place it in our outer corner very messily as well, because I'm going to go back and blend this. You do not have to be perfect with your color placements, especially in my opinion in your crease right away or anything. The main thing is to remember, and I always say this, it's like salt and pepper. It's better to add a little at a time so you can build that gradually up versus doing it all at once and then won't be able to take any away. I hope that makes kind of sense, you know. So for concealer here, we're using the WetnWild Photofocus concealer, and I'm just applying that to the lid, and I'm going to look up and stamp out the crease line, basically, and I'm going to blend that out with a brush, and I'm going to go over it with my finger, take any leftover product out, and the shade we're going to apply to the lid is Light of the Party. It's just a very shimmery champagne kind of shade, and I'm taking that on a fluffy shader brush to place this shade. And I'm placing it all over the lid up into that crease line and stopping there. Obviously, I'm putting a little in the outer corner too, just for blending purposes with the Power Slayer shade. Beautiful plum shade, by the way. And this is just a eyeshadow, flat eyeshadow eyeliner kind of brush, and I crisped up the crease with Face of the Day, and we're going back in with Power Slayer and placing shade. So basically this is the blending process here. So we're just going to blend over all of the shades and mesh them together so we have a seamless transition among all of them, and they just kind of mesh and become one. I love how it looks. So for brow highlighter, we're using the Color Workshop Brow Highlighter, and I'm applying that on the brow bone, and I'm going to drag it down into our crease transition shade, and then we're going to go back in with the fluffy brush with no additional product added with the Face of the Day and blend that with our brow bone. I love this transition as well. Now we're putting Power Slayer on our lower lash line. Really going to smoke that in there, and we're also going to blend that out with the Face of the Day shade, and we're going in with our Milani 12 Hour pencil to tightline with, and this Maybelline pencil, and it is called Olive, I believe, and it didn't transfer good at first in my waterline, you'll see, but boy is it pigmented when it did. It did not, because I had foundation in my waterline, and so I had to clear my waterline. So that was the Covergirl Supersizer Mascara, and this is the Profusion eyeshadow topper, and I'm applying that over top of the Light of the Party shade on the lid. And so this has become a very smoky toned look, or a smoky berry toned look with glitter, and the camera does not do this glitter justice, you guys. If you don't have this, it comes in like a 2-pack of like a waterproof eyeshadow pencil and the glitter, and we're also going to give that time to dry down, and we're going to blend Power Slayer in with the glitter so it's more of a smooth transition. We're going to crisp up our crease line again with Face of the Day, and there's our finished look. But the camera does not do this glitter justice. It's a holographic glitter. It is so stunning. And this is a hard candy velvet mousse little lipstick gloss thing. I don't even know, really. They're the mini travel sizes, and I got them around Christmas time last year. They're so good as well. Super pigmented and creamy and not drying on the lips. So beautiful. And that's the Hard Candy Long Wear Setting Spray. And fan ourselves off, and our look is done, completed, finished. I love how this came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Try it out for yourselves. Definitely check out the Boss Mood palette. It's not a new Morphe palette, but it is a great Morphe palette. And thank you guys so much for always watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.